Blindfolded him. Here we come, watch kids, watch kids. And they're going to drop, oh, it's just a little flyby, setting himself up. Keep an eye on the aeroplane. And you'll see generally where those sweets are going. If I let my dog off the lead, I bet my dog will get all of them before you can.
All right, Dave, coming round.
Are we doing it?
Yeah.
Are we doing it?
Yeah, yeah.
Someone didn't oil that door, did they?
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up, guys, when it's dropped. Dave? There we go, there we are. There's all the sweets. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right, so as quick as you can, kids. As quick as you can. All keep this side, all keep this side, all keep this side, all keep this side. All that way. Come on. Quick as you can. Where did all these kids come from?
It's not being filmed. I'm filming. Oh, you're filming. Thank you. Did you see what it was? Quickly.
Wow.
Lovely, isn't it? That's what I like to see.
Fire going on over there. What's going on over there? Bonfire. Oh, there's a no smoke island. So, the kids are he's getting all those sweets now. I'm sure there's a couple of kids running around with like a ribbon, lead ribbon. All excited. I can see a child there holding it up in the air. You want to hold on to that, mate, before somebody else nabs it off you. Come on, Amy, did you get one? Did you? How many did you get? One or two? Huh? Well done, Nick. All right, bring this over. Look, you're the first one up. You didn't get the first shout. Look, there you go, straight to them. First young lady's going to dip her hands in. First present. You got some? Who's got the red ribbons? You got one? There's another one. Only one per child, remember, so if you've got more than one, give it to someone else. Well done. Come on, kids, off the flight line, yeah? We've got Mrs. Oddie who's wanting to land. So all the kids come off the flight line, off the runway.
All right.
Cody, well done.
Did you get your sweets? Did you get your sweets? All right.
Yeah, we've only got one ribbon though.
Never mind.
Hello, Grandpa.
So did everyone get something? Everyone got some sweeties? There's no
When you're ready.
I can't see anyone crying.
Wind's changed direction completely now.
No one's crying. That's amazing. Well, we've done our jobs right then. There's no tears on the runway at Bartons today.
I'll bring around.
Other than obviously the pilots who have parked their airplanes in the wrong manner.
Especially with the old T1 joint there. Bring around and bring in the Here we go, come on girls. Here we come.
We've got one little boy there who didn't manage to get any, so I'm going to give him. Oh, look, here we go, here we go. Sweeties, there you go, look, he didn't get anything. You big kid. Start to the front, I'm sure.
There you go, way!
Jan, we got any sweets left? We got any sweets?